What are the longest living animals on Earth? For decades, people thought it was tortoises, but the real list of animals that have this longevity will amaze you. And best of all, let's just say this, they are all species that live in the water, and often in the greatest of depths. At number 12, we have the Seychelles giant tortoise. They have been known to live more than 190 plus years. These animals are famous for the longevity and are often seen in St. Helena in South Atlantic Ocean. The oldest ever photograph of a Seychelles turtle is from 1882. Number 11, we have the red sea urchin. Living up to 200 years old, it's extremely small and round, and they're covered with spines and can often be found in North America all the way to Alaska to even California. These species love marine plants and are known to age extremely slowly. Number 10, the bowhead whale. Whales are known to live more than 200 plus years and are classified as the longest living mammals. Many say that their lifespans range from 100 to 200 years, and they have mutated gene called the ERCC1. This gene repairs damaged DNA, and this all helps the whales avoid cancer and slow the aging process. Number 9, the rough-eye rockfish. Scientists say that they live up to 205 years, and you're going to be able to find them all the way from California to Japan in the Pacific Ocean. They grow up to 38 inches long and love to feed on smaller fish such as shrimp. They also have a DNA repairing gene that helps the fish avoid cancer. Number 8, the freshwater pearl mussel. You will find the pearl mussel all over the streams and rivers in Europe and even North America. With an astonishing lifespan of 280 years, many scientists say their long lifespan is mainly due to a very slow metabolism. And although they live forever, you're never going to see one because they're endangered species. Number 7, the Greenland shark. Yes, you heard that right, a shark. Living all over the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans, they can grow up to 24 feet and have known to have lifespans of at least 272 years. Number 6, the tube worm. These live up to 300 plus years. They're invertebrates and they live all over the ocean floors. Their bodies create sugar from chemicals as they absorb food. Many tube worms are known to have extremely slow metabolisms, and their existence is barely ever in danger as there are no predators who pose a threat to them. Number 5, the ocean quahog clam. With an astonishing lifespan of 500 plus years, these clams can be found all over the North Atlantic Ocean. In 2006, an ocean quahog clam was found near Iceland, and it was stated to be 507 years old, another species with an extremely slow metabolism. Number 4, the black coral. Living up to 4,000 years old, they look like underwater rocks and plants, and are actually made up of exoskeletons. The most fascinating thing is that they are often multiplying and create identical copies of themselves. This causes them to grow bigger and bigger every time. Think of it like this, multiple identical organisms put together rather than a single organism. So the lifespan of these corals acts as a team effort. Number 3, the glass sponge. Have you ever heard of SpongeBob SquarePants? Well, just in case you don't know this is where the inspiration came from. They have been known to live 10,000 plus years. Number 2, the Tortoposis dorni. This species are considered immortal, and as fascinating as it sounds, It's because of the fact that they can live forever. They can be found all over the Mediterranean Sea and can transform from polypses back to jellyfish. They are extremely small and less than 0.2 inches long. And number one, in first place, is the hydra. Another species of small invertebrates, they are considered to be immortal. Let's just say this, they live forever. They are mainly made up of stem cells that regenerate and duplicate, as in clone themselves. Can you believe that? The hydra is constantly cloning themselves, and it never deteriorates. Enlighten your life, and I hope you enjoyed this segment of the show. Please come back every week for constant uploads and new videos.